war with myself. Let's reconcile our differences. Because as of late, depression has filled voids and we haven't been meshing well. Contribution of confusion fused with bruises from past relations. Shit, I just want to be happy. And you're the only one who deserves that amusement. You say I'll drink till I damn near lose it. No, I've lost it. Trying to be found in places, no station in the world I can be in tune with. Please, forgive me. Family of 5, and I don't care what those 4 give me. You are the deciding factor. Common denominator dominating the dominated, nominated for Fighter of the Year from the defamation and crown shot you taking. Round of appreciation. I really do appreciate you. More than I can relay in words or verbs, but I think you'll get it once this track meets. I know I put you in odd positions with oppositions and never bring you up when props is given, but you are the other side of this double-edged sword. Staying sharp even when I'm blunted. Remaining real even when fronting, confronted by confrontation, but you know if shots are taken, not much will come from it. You were there when pillowcases were drowned in. When I felt like I was just another nigga taking up space. When I was faced with hatred, deflated patience, you were there every time I told a woman I ain't shit. You taught me a poker face is what I use for people that I'm not finna play with. When I learned you don't pull a gun unless you finna raise it. That living is hard and dying ain't shit, so why quit on life? You were on that bridge telling me don't leap. And when I got off that ledge, you told me don't speak about it. Weakness is a female emotion, but a man will be weak without it. You are the only entity in me to keep me grounded. And in the journey of searching for myself, I'm glad I found it. Man in the mirror. Thank you.